What if your electricity bills could drop overnight? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best solar panels for home installation 2026 to save money and power your home smartly. Stick around for real value, and don't forget, grab your favorite picks through the links in the description. On number 5 is Eco-Worthy 200 watts. What if I told you a simple 200-watt solar setup could slash your power worries faster than you expect? Let's talk about the eco-worthy 200 watts kit, built for real homes, not just hype. First, performance. Its monocrystalline cells push up to 21.5% efficiency, giving around 800 watt-hours per day in good sunlight. That's real, reliable output. But here's where it gets better. Installation is smooth, plug and play, no headaches. Compared with others, this feels more beginner-friendly, yet equally powerful. Now, durability. Strong aluminum frame handles harsh wind and snow, giving peace of mind for years. Still, it's not perfect. It needs proper sunlight positioning to shine fully. So, is it worth it? Honestly, if you want a smart, dependable home solar start, this is a confident yes. But wait till you see how it compares in real-world setups next. At number 4 is Renogy 1180 watts. What if I told you a single solar setup could revolutionize your home energy use while giving real peace of mind? The Renogy 1180 watts kit does exactly that. Using premium A+ grade N-Type cells and 16 busbar technology, it pushes up to 25% higher efficiency, delivering reliable power even in challenging sunlight conditions. Its bifacial design adds an extra 5 to 30% energy boost, turning reflections into usable electricity, perfect for maximizing output in any setting. Built tough, the corrosion-resistant black aluminum frame handles strong winds and heavy snow, while the IP68 junction box keeps everything safe and waterproof. Compared with others, this feels like a powerhouse for serious energy needs, yet still practical for home installation. If you want consistent, smart, and worry-free solar power, this is a confident yes, but careful planning of space and budget is key. On number 3 is Callsun N-Type 16BB. Imagine capturing sunlight from every angle and never worrying about power loss again. Sounds too good to be true? The Callsun N-Type 16BB 200-watt solar panel turns that into reality. Using advanced N-type cells and 16 busbar technology, it delivers up to 25% conversion efficiency, outperforming traditional panels with better reliability and reduced hotspots. Its bifacial design boosts output by up to 30% by harnessing reflected light, while twin-cell anti-shade tech keeps power flowing even when part of the panel is shaded. Built tough with tempered glass, corrosion-resistant aluminum, and IP68 waterproofing, it promises decades of worry-free energy. Compared with others, this panel excels in compact spaces and high-temperature conditions, making it perfect for home installations. If you value consistent, efficient, and long-lasting solar power, this is a smart, confident choice for serious energy savings. At number 2 is Eco-Worthy 400 watts. What if a single solar panel could transform your home energy while keeping installation simple and stress-free? The Eco-Worthy 400 watts kit does exactly that. With PERC technology boosting efficiency up to 23%, it delivers around 1,600 watt-hours per day under just 4 hours of sunlight, solving the common problem of unreliable output in low-light conditions. Pre-installed bypass diodes and an IP65 junction box ensure steady power even with shading, giving peace of mind for every situation. Lightweight and only 1.38 inches thick, it's easy to mount with plug-and-play connectors and pre-drilled holes, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Compared with others, This panel balances high efficiency, durability, and effortless installation. If you want reliable, cost-effective, and smart energy for your home, this is a confident yes, especially for DIY enthusiasts seeking real results. Now moving to the last one is Renogy 400 watts portable. What if I told you you could carry 400 watts of reliable solar power in a backpack? The Renogy 400 watts portable kit makes that possible, transforming how you think about home and off-grid energy. Ultra lightweight at just 16.09 pounds and folding down to a compact 16.54 by 15.83 by 4.13 inches, it's perfect for tight spaces or adventurous setups. Using 16 busbar N-type cells, it reaches 25% efficiency, generating more power even in limited sunlight, solving the common problem of slow energy harvest in smaller installations. Flexible installation options let you maximize output anywhere, while IP65 protection and ETFE lamination ensure durability in harsh conditions. Compared with others, this panel excels in portability without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for those seeking efficient, smart, and versatile energy solutions. The clear winner here is the Renogy 1180 watts kit. Its premium A+ grade N-type cells, 16 busbar technology, and bifacial design deliver up to 25% higher efficiency and an extra 5 to 30% energy boost, making it a powerhouse for serious home energy needs. Built tough with corrosion-resistant aluminum and IP68 waterproofing, it ensures long-term reliability. If you want consistent, worry-free, and high-output solar power for your home, this setup is the smartest, most future-proof choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best solar panels for home installation 2026. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.